Have you ever wondered how bones heal themselves?
Yes, I have. It's a fascinating process.
During the first few days after a break, bleeding occurs at the break site, forming a blood clot or hematoma.
That's right. The area also gets inflamed to bring in the healing cells needed for repair.
Within a week, special cells form a soft callus made of cartilage and collagen. This soft bridge holds the bone fragments together, but isn't strong enough for full use.
The soft callus slowly mineralizes, turning into hard bone. This makes the break site more stable.
The hard callus is gradually remodeled into the original shape of the bone, getting denser and stronger. Excess bone tissue from the earlier phases is broken down and reabsorbed by the body.
Factors affecting bone healing include age, type of break, location of break, nutrition, and overall health.
That's right. Bones heal faster in younger people, and bones with good blood supply heal better.
Good nutrition, especially calcium and vitamin D, is essential for bone healing. Conditions like diabetes or smoking can slow healing.
It's incredible how our bodies can heal themselves like this.
Yes, it is. Our bodies are amazing machines.
Like, subscribe and share. Anyone need a pet rabbit or two?